ball, bone,
ball. Ball. Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together.
Today, we'll learn greetings. First, let's say hello. When you hear it, say hello back. Great. Now let's try hi. It's another way to say hello. Say hi.
Hello?
Hello, thank you. Hi.
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 Hi. Hello?
Hello.
Hi. Hello?
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye, bye, bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sam. I'll be back soon.
Goodbye. Bye. See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.